Hello, lovely people of the internet. My name is CJ, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this video. This video untraditional style for my channel, but I haven't really posted consistently in 8 months or so, only posting stuff that I've made for school. So time to turn over a new leaf, start some new videos, because I really do enjoy making them. And what a better time, if you see here, it's the keys for my first ever apartment. Just submitted the first, last, and security check. Got the keys. So in a minute, we're going to go check out the space. I'm just going to give you a little background on myself. I'm 23 years old. I live in South Florida. I have 1 semester left in college. I should cover the style of videos that I'm going to be doing on this channel. Keep your eyes peeled for lots of vlog style videos and sports reactions. I'll do a good amount of those. Do some car videos. You know, I don't really have anything special right now. This is my Subaru Impreza Outback Sport hatchback that I'm currently sitting in, but a few months down the road, when money's flowing a little bit better, I might grab something a little bit sportier, a little bit more modifiable, if you will, and start cranking away, getting some videos out for you guys. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the content that'll be coming up. I'm going to try to post consistently. Now, let's go see the apartment. You just got a little tour of my brand new apartment here in South Florida. Freshly renovated. We're the first tenants to be under the roof under this brand new renovation. And man, it does look really modernized and clean all around. So I'm super hyped to live here, super hyped for what life is gonna hold. We were working with about, I don't know, 650 square feet here. It's nothing special, but it is really, really nice for the price point. Everything else we were seeing around this range was straight up grungy, if you will. But anyway, yeah, I'll check back with you when it's furnished. We can see a little before and after of our furnishing of this place, but it's gonna look really nice, guys. I'm super excited.
Like forgetting how to speak right now. Hello. I know exactly what you're thinking. This isn't CJ. Yeah, I am the oh so mysterious girlfriend, and I'm here to give you guys a little update. He's at work all day today, and then we have a couple of crazy busy days coming up, and then we go out of town. So I am here to give you guys the apartment update. So essentially we are all moved in. Everything is in here for the most part. We're missing a couple pieces of furniture, like a dresser. So all of our clothes are in bins and suitcases kind of all over the place. It is 4:30 and he gets off of work at 5, I believe. So since I was unable to do some vlogging today, I'm gonna just get a video of him coming home, because today's the first day that it's been like he wakes up, goes to work all day, and then comes back, and we come back to the same house. Which is just cute, as I was like, you know, running around with my friends, having fun, doing whatever, and then he's working, and he's gonna come home, and I'm gonna be here. My air conditioning just kicked on. Whoa. No, I was hoping it would have a wind moment, but, oh, we are having a wind moment. Yeah, so essentially I'm just gonna put the camera somewhere and get him coming home.
Alright, it's been a few days since I recorded. You may have seen my lovely girlfriend take over the camera for a little bit there, but apparently she never got around to actually giving an update on the place and how it's progressing. But anyway, that's what I'm here to do right now. It is 4 days since I last recorded. I just woke up from a nap. I work the night shift at my job, so sometimes I have to nap when I get home. So let's check out the progress of the apartment. Alright, so as you can see, currently living in a little bit of chaos, but we go away for the next what is it, like 9 days starting tomorrow, so it's gonna stay this way for a little bit. I'm just gonna shut my suitcases and we'll deal with this when we get back. However, the bathroom's pretty well put together. The shower is quite lovely. And then out here, some key points. I've got my PC set up. I'm trying to sell this monitor, trying to get a new one, but I haven't had any luck with that so far. And we got the old PC down here. And over here, I was able to lay out my rock collection, but it's focusing on outside, so let's try that again. Yeah, here we go. Here's some of my rock collection. Pretty cool stuff. Really nice accent piece. But as you can see, there's still a lot of work to do. Our TV is over here. It needs to either be mounted or put on a stand. Oh, this isn't getting enough light. It should do it. The project today for the 4th of July, Raina and I will be tackling this, which is a coffee table we got for pretty cheap, but obviously it needs some work. The last owner stained it terribly. You can see the drips of stain, the uneven stain here. The top is totally not stained at all. I did some wood filler action here and down along here to try to make it look more even. A little bit more here. We went to Ace yesterday, Sherwin-Williams, picked up some goods, and we're gonna make this thing look cool. It's very geometric, so I'm gonna try to increase the value of this piece of furniture. Alright, so we last recorded on July 4th. It's now July 6th, and we are now in Tampa. We didn't actually finish the coffee table. That's going to be a task for after we return from our little vacation. We're going to Tampa with some friends right now from up north, and we're hanging out in Tampa. We're going to see a baseball game later. And then we're heading up to Maine for a week, so that should be relaxing. But I don't know what this vlog is going to become because it's been like, it's going to be stretched out over 3 weeks or so.
This place is cute.
But we'll see how it ends up piecing together, you know? But hopefully it's entertaining. I don't know. I think it's entertaining.
I think life is entertaining.
Life is entertaining, you know? apple pear. Is it? What is it?
It was kale, apple, cucumber. Very refreshing. It's extremely hot outside.
Kale, apple, cucumber. No, I tried it. See, hold on. Let me see that. See that big munch right there? That was me trying it, and it tastes like grass.
Bro, okay. I actually hate kale, like for
This
real.
is much better.
Okay.
This is much better. This is strawberry, mango, banana. So.
Bite on it.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Delectable. Yuri Perez for the Marlins, Michael Lorenzen, and now Sanchez.
Is he still on the Reds?
No, he's on the Tigers. But they're playing open. What is up, people of the internet? It's Caleb coming back at you again. It is now August 11th, and you may be wondering, Caleb, what in the world happened to this vlog? You started recording it the beginning of July, and it's now over a month later. Well, guys, work and travel happened, and I missed some key points in recording, so I just kind of gave up temporarily. But I'm coming back, gonna finish out this vlog, make something of it. Even if nobody watches it, that's totally fine. Anyway, guys, I'm back, August 11th. I'm gonna give you a quick look around the apartment. Oh yeah, check out this coffee table. Finished that thing up. Looks pretty darn good. Got a nice little glossy green surface. Stained the brown everywhere else. And on this side, we brought the green all the way down, which I think looks super cool. Goes with our vines. And then here's the outside area. Nothing really changed here. Still looking for patio furniture. Well, if you made it this far, it means you're at the end of the vlog, which took about a month and 2 weeks to put together. You know, obviously wasn't grinding the whole time on the vlog, but anyway, guys, I just want to give a shout out to Dom Brown and his new brand, East Coast Collective. Check out this super cool shirt. He's putting together just a group of friends, a group of athletes, and trying to make something out of it as a brand. So shout out to him. I hope everything goes well. I hope it blows up for him. And anyway, thank you guys for watching the vlog, and maybe I'll post something again at some point.